It was supposed to be a peaceful afternoon drive. Emily, behind the wheel of her sleek white BMW, was headed down a narrow country road, surrounded by trees and open fields. The sky was overcast, and the ground was still damp from the rain the night before. She didn't expect the road to turn into a muddy trap. Suddenly, the BMW's tires lost grip. The car sank deeper into a thick patch of mud. Emily pressed the gas pedal, the engine roared, the wheels spun violently, but the car didn't move forward. Mud splattered everywhere, on the sides of the car, into the air, and even onto the windows. She tried rocking the car gently, switching between reverse and drive, hoping to gain traction. But every push on the pedal only made the tires dig in deeper. The more she tried, the more stubborn the mud seemed to become. Despite the frustration, Emily stayed calm. With every attempt, the rear tires kicked up more mud in dramatic bursts. The BMW trembled with power, but progress was nowhere to be seen. Will Emily find a way to escape this muddy mess? Or will the white BMW remain stuck in the middle of nowhere?